Hi guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video. Now the next line in Samsung's long list of devices is due on the 7th of August. I am due to attend the Unpacked event in New York, and we are of course led to believe the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be launched on that specific date, and it promises to be an incredible phone. But I'm going to share some information which might make you just think, hang on, should I possibly wait for the Samsung Galaxy S11? Because if these leaks and rumours are to be true, it's going to be insane. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. If you're new to the channel and love everything tech, news, unboxings, reviews, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so that every time I post a video you are notified and can stay up to date with all of the latest tech. Firstly, if throughout the video my face gets as red as this t-shirt, it's because it's basically 32 degrees here in the UK, which is madness. Probably fairly normal for some of you guys in the States or in India, for example, but for us here in the UK, this is a little bit too warm. Right, so of course, this isn't a bashing of the Note 10. It's going to be an amazing phone. I can't wait to get my hands on it and of course, bring you all the coverage from the launch and hopefully do unboxings, reviews, camera comparisons, etc. with the rest of the other top smartphones. But if you're a Samsung fan or just a fan of great smartphones in general, there's some unofficial information that's come out regarding the release of the S11, which we expect to see around February, March next year. If you're waiting for an upgrade, this might help you. So firstly, the Galaxy S11 is tipped to come with a 64 megapixel primary sensor, according to Twitter leaker Ice Universe, whereas the Galaxy Note 10 will have the same sensor as the Galaxy S10. Now, of course, we are led to believe the Note 10 will come with a few extra camera features outside of what we've got on the S10, and apparently the sensor used in the S10 will be the last in the line when it goes onto the Note 10, and they will be starting afresh from their next devices. These sensors should provide better results, especially for that sort of dusk, twilight, and nighttime photos, of course, as well. Now, the next reason is a pretty standard one. The S11 is going to have the brand new SoC. So, of course, right now, we've, of course, got the Snapdragon 855 inside the S10. The Note 10 is due to have the 855 Plus, which is a minor mid-cycle upgrade on the 855, debuting, of course, on the Asus ROG Phone 2. It's specially catered to the mobile gamers out there. But again, with the S11, we will see an upgrade. It will go to, of course, generally they do it plus 10. 835, 845, 855, it'll be 865 come the turn of next year, unless they mix it up. So again, performance enhancements because of that brand new SoC, and one major improvement we are led to believe we're going to see on the S11 is that display. And as good as Samsung devices have been for their displays, the bezels have shrunk down year on year. We then jumped to the punch hole cutout on the S10, S10 Plus, etc. But we know for a fact they have been working on this under display camera technology. Xiaomi and Oppo have both actually shown examples of this technology working, and that's now. So by February next year, you can bet your bottom dollar that Samsung are going to be working on theirs and are going to produce theirs ready for the S11. So if you want that fully bezel-less display without a punch hole, without a pop-up, then this is going to be the way to go, because again, the Note 10 is going to have that punch hole cutout in the center of the display. And of course, jumping way out on a limb, there's been rumblings of graphite batteries for quite a long time now, and we still haven't seen it. Many companies, and especially Samsung, have been working on this for years. Quite whether it's going to be ready for the S11 is another matter, but it possibly could be. And if it does make it to the S11, then expect 5 times greater capacity and up to 45% faster charging, which is mad. Charging seconds lasts for weeks. Yes, please, thank you. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these early rumours of the Galaxy S11 and whether you think it's worth waiting for, or are you going to go out and get the Galaxy Note 10, of course due to be released very, very soon and promises to still be, even though not probably as good as the S11, an amazing smartphone. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video on anything tech. Weekly content here on YouTube, tech news, unboxings and reviews. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Say SBYT, peace out.